To determine if you have a narrow or regular PTB arm, insert a penny into the end of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a regular PTB arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow PTB arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Expert Fit Beam wiper blade on a narrow PTB arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Orient the wiper blade so the arrow on top is pointing to your left. Place your thumb under the adapter legs, grasp the blade firmly, and pry the adapter away. Locate the packaged adapter labeled B. To install, align the B adapter so that the arrow on the top is pointing in the same direction as the arrow on the base. Place the B adapter on top of the base connector and press down until it locks into place with a click. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Tilt the adapter forward and hold down. Slide into the opening of the wiper arm until you hear a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Expert Fit Beam.